Welcome back, student. Today we will start a new chapter, that is inheritance and variation. In this video we will learn about the basic history of genetics, that is inheritance, okay, and who is father of these genetics, or we will learn about his background, all things, okay. Before we will start about the father of genetics, we have to understand what is heredity. Heredity or inheritance, these both words, what is the meaning of this word? That the transmission of genetic information from generation to generation. This is known as heredity or inheritance. Means whatever the genetic information is present in one parents, that was transferred into his offsprings, that is son or daughter. Again that genetic information was transferred into their son and their daughter. Like that, this genetic information is transferred from one generation to another generation. Means एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन तक वो जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन कंटिन्यूअसली पास होती रहती है और इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं हेरिडिटी. ओके, अब ये जो हेरिडिटी है उसका फादर मीन्स हु इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन फॉर दिस जेनेटिक्स. ये पूरे जो सब कुछ है वो जेनेटिक्स के अंदर इंक्लूड किया जाता है and this is very much important topic for the NEET also. Okay, so Gregor John Mendel is the father of genetics. नाम याद रखना है, Gregor John Mendel. He is the father of genetics and he was born in Moravia in 22nd July 1822. Okay, just you have to remember the year also, because in MCQs also these questions have came. Okay, but they have twisted, not directly asked. So in 1822 he was born. So what happened that he was done 6 years of work on Pisum sativum. In his life he was studied 6 years of work. He was studied on the Pisum sativum. Okay, that is pea plant. Okay, this is the botanical name of that plant. So he was studied 6 years on this plant and he was done a super work on this plant, and that work today we are learning in the genetics. Okay, so when he was died, his death year was 1884. So he was born in 1822 and he was died into 1884. What happened that whenever he was alive, that time his work was not recognized. Okay, he was done very properly his work, but that time he was not get recognized. No one has appreciated his work also. Okay, so this was very sad thing. But after his death, okay, after the death 16 years after his death, okay, जब डेथ हो गई उसकी तब 16 years के बाद again 3 scientists have rediscovered the same work. तो 3 साइंटिस्ट जो थे दूसरे so they have rediscovered the same work what was done by the Gregor John Mendel, and these scientists are Hugo de Varies, Correns and Treasure-Mark. These 3 scientists are the same scientist which was recognized or rediscovered the same work which was done by Gregor John Mendel. And these 3 scientists are very nice that they have given all the credit to the Gregor John Mendel, and they have started to do the whole study which was done by the Gregor Mendel. So they have went there and they have studied all the work which was present in his area. Okay, तो जहाँ पर भी ग्रेगोर जॉन मेंडल ने उसके सभी रिसर्च पेपर्स रखे थे या फिर सभी बुक्स रखे, जो भी कुछ रखा था उन्होंने, वो सब कुछ उन्होंने ढूंढ के रिसर्च करके फिर से वो डिस्कवर करने का काम शुरू कर दिया इन तीनों साइंटिस्ट ने. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन दैट, ये क्यों हुआ? सबसे पहले हमें यह बात ध्यान रखना है कि जो ग्रेगोर जॉन मेंडल था, ही वॉज नॉट अ बॉटनिस्ट, ओके, एंड ही वॉज नॉट अ बायोलॉजिस्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, बट हु वॉज ही वॉज अ मैथमेटिशियन. ओके, अनदर थिंग अबाउट दैट, हिज जॉब वॉज मीन्स ही वॉज ऑफर्ड अ जॉब दैट इज एज अ प्रीस्ट इन अ चर्च. ओके, एक चर्च था वहां पर उसके टाइम पे और उसके यहाँ पर उसको एज अ प्रीस्ट बोल के जॉब ऑफर किया था. So he has to take care of all the areas, all the plants nearby that church or all these things. Okay, so यहाँ पर जो है ये बहुत सारे एक important reason है, ये matter करता है that he was a mathematician and not biologist or botanist. Okay, सो व्हाट हैपन दैट जब भी वो एज अ प्रीस्ट काम करता था चर्च में और बाकी का जो बचा हुआ टाइम था ही वॉज वर्किंग ऑन द गार्डन ऑल्सो. चर्च के बैक साइड में ही एक गार्डन थी उसके वहां पर एंड ही वॉज डूइंग द वर्क ऑन दैट. सो जो पूरा जो पायसम सटाइवम का वर्क है ही वॉज डन इन दैट एरियाज. ओके, तो ये एक अच्छा टाइम था उसको स्टडी करने का या फिर रिसर्च करने का या फिर पूरा जो कि उसका टाइम का यूटिलाइजेशन करने का, दैट ही वॉज डन वेरी प्रॉपरली. सो दिस इज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल लर्न अबाउट why his work was not recognized and why the reason that he was very successful in genetics also. Okay, and why we are calling him the father of genetics. In next video we will learn about these things. Okay, this chapter is very much important as for NEET purpose also and in theory purpose also. Okay, thank you.